Hello everyone, welcome to a mathematics class. Our next topic in this chapter is LCM or least common multiple. We understood factor, common factor and HCF. Now we have least common multiple. We know what are multiple and what are common multiples. Now we will find out least common multiple. We use method of repeated division for this also. Let's take an example. Find out LCM of 20, 25 and 30. For this, we will write all these three numbers all together in the form of repeated division. In HCF, we were finding out prime factors of individual numbers, but in LCM, we will take all the given numbers together. Now we will start with the smallest prime number to divide. Is there any number that can be divided with 2? Yes, 20 and 30 can be divided with 2. So we will start with 2. We will divide 20 with 2. 25 cannot be divided with 2. So we will write it as it is. We will not divide it. Now 30 can be divided with 2. It gives us quotient as 15. So we will divide this. Now again we can divide with 2. It gives us 5 on dividing 10. Can divide 25 and cannot divide 15. So these numbers will be written as it is. Now all these three numbers can be divided with 5. So we will divide them with 5. Now this becomes 1, this becomes 5 and this becomes 3. Next we will take 5 one more time. This 5 will become 1 quotient. 3 cannot be divided with 5, so it will be written as it is. Now we will divide it with 3. We already have 1 in place of 20 and 25. So they will be written as it is. We will divide 3 only and we get our quotient as 1 for all the three numbers. Here our repeated division will end. Now for LCM, what we will do? We will multiply all these prime numbers. So 2 multiplied with 2, then we have 5, multiply 5, and then last is 3. Multiply them, 2 multiply 2 is 4, 5 multiply 5 25 and 3. When you multiply 25 and 4 you get 100, 100 multiply 3 you get 300. So LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 300. So this is the method to find out LCM of any given numbers. There is one more method to find out LCM, that is called method of prime factorization. In that, similarly, we will find out prime factors of each number individually. Firstly, we will do it for 20. We find out prime factors of 20 by repeated division. So these are prime factors of 20. Then we will find out prime factors of 25. Then of number 30. So now we have prime factors of all three numbers. We'll write them. Now for LCM, we will firstly write common prime number or common prime factor for all three numbers. So common is this 5 is common in all the three. So we will write 5 here. Then this 2 is common for two numbers. So we will write this 2 for one time. Now, in the factors of 20, we are left with 2, so we will write it here. In 25, we are left with 5, so we will write this 5 here. In the 30, there is 3 is left, so we will write this 3. Now, we multiply them, we will get same LCM, that is 300. Right, so these are two methods of finding LCM. Next topic is, there are some word problems related to HCF and LCM that we need to calculate or understand through words, that what we need to find out, whether LCM or HCF. For example, find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves remainder as 7. Now we need to find least number. So what we will do, we will find out LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. We mostly find LCM with the repeated division method. So we will apply that. Start dividing it with 2. Now 2, 6, 12, 2, 8, 16, 1, 2 and 18. Now all these 4 numbers can again be divided with 2. Like this. And we can divide it with 3. 1 more 3 is required. So this is the repeated division. So LCM of these numbers 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are there and then 2 3s are there. So multiply them. 144 is the LCM, but this is not a least number that gives you remainder 0. This is the least number that gives you remainder, this gives you remainder 0, but you need to find number that gives you remainder as 7. So that means if you add this remainder to this number, 144 plus 7, you will get the least number that gives you a remainder 7 by dividing these numbers. So 144 plus 7, it becomes 151. So this is your least number. So this is how some word problems come, and you need to find whether you need to calculate LCM or HCF. Thank you.